Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm excited to share one example use case I built for my client. So this is actually a Notion CEO reporting system. So the idea is that the directors will update their projects and then the CEO will have an overview of what's going on. So if you've been using Notion for a while now, you probably realize that one of the Notion pain points is that when it comes to team collaborations, you don't want everyone to see each other's projects or tasks or information, right? So how can we do this? Usually your workaround is that you create multiple different separate database. So in this case, that's what we did. For accounting and tax, if you click inside, they have their own KPI, their tasks, they have their own projects and tasks. So they have a separate database for each of the teams. But then when it comes to wanting to consolidate everything into one database, into one charts data, how can we do that? You can't do it because it's just separated, at least not at this moment. So what I've done is actually create this centralized consolidated project database. And then in the back end, I'm actually running a code to just sync this database on a scheduled basis. For now, it's every 30 minutes. So you can see here, these are all the different databases here. For now, up to, at least now I think I'm connected up to 10 of them. So anytime people make any changes, so include the names, they update the status, the TLDR, the deadline, and automatically it will just create in this database and can see which team it belongs to. And there's even a link to go back to the sources here. So you might ask Thomas, yeah, it's cool, but why do we need this? And ta-da, this is the result of why we need this, is that we have a consolidated dashboards despite having different multiple databases. So in case you're curious how this is being built, so I'm actually using something called Replit. So it's actually like a IDE, so online development platform, allows me to kind of host my code and then run it on a scheduled basis. So yeah, for now, this is more of a showcase on what is possible using Notion. If you like and you follow and you have interest to learn more in deep depths of how you can do it potentially for yourself, let me know in the description down below. Thank you.